What is the best loophole on an exam that you've ever witnessed? My calculus professor was famous for impossible tests, where the class average was like 30%. On our final, the last question was worth 25 points. Show that this complex equation can be solved. Everyone panicked. The equation took up half the page with integrals inside integrals. People were crying. I spent 20 minutes just staring at it. Then I noticed something weird. The professor always said, read the directions carefully. So I reread it. Show that this complex equation can be solved. Not solve it, just show it can be solved. I wrote, this equation can be solved because all equations of this type have solutions according to the fundamental theorem of calculus, as you taught us in week 3. I turned in my test early. Everyone looked at me like I was giving up. 2 days later, the professor walks in with our graded finals. He's actually smiling, which never happens. One student got full points on the last question, he announced. The rest of you spent hours attempting to solve something I specifically didn't ask you to solve. He held up my paper. Sometimes the hardest part of a problem is understanding what's actually being asked. I got an A+ while the class average was 42%. Later, a friend who became a TA told me the professor adds this exact same trick question every semester. In 17 years, only 8 students have spotted the loophole. He keeps a list of our names in his office, calling it his actually read the directions Hall of Fame.